In today's world, many of us seek ways to improve our financial situation and attract more abundance into our lives. One of the ancient secrets to achieving this is through a powerful ritual involving cinnamon, salt, and cloves. This ritual has been passed down through generations and is known for its ability to open the doors of wealth and prosperity. By following the steps outlined in this ritual, you can call upon positive energies to invite money and abundance into your home or business. The ritual we are about to explore is rooted in ancient wisdom and is designed to harness the natural energetic properties of certain elements to attract wealth and prosperity. This practice is not just about the physical act of placing items in a specific arrangement. It's about engaging with the energies and intentions behind each element and action. When performed with genuine belief and positive intention, this ritual can bring about remarkable changes in your financial circumstances. Before diving into the ritual, it's crucial to gather all the necessary elements. These components are not only affordable but also easily accessible. The ritual requires 3 natural elements and 1 work tool. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a well-known natural enhancer and caller of money. Its powerful energetic vibration operates at a very high frequency, making it a common ingredient in rituals aimed at attracting luck and wealth. You can use either cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon for this ritual. If you choose to use cinnamon sticks, you will need 3 sticks. These can be found at any supermarket and are quite economical. Cinnamon sticks are preferred in many traditional rituals due to their solid form, which can be arranged in specific shapes to direct energy flow effectively. If you don't have cinnamon sticks, ground cinnamon works just as effectively. Ground cinnamon can be easier to handle for some people, and it allows for more flexibility in how you spread it in the ritual arrangement. Cinnamon's high-frequency vibration is not just folklore. Its properties have been noted in various cultures for its ability to enhance psychic and spiritual activities. It's often used in spells and rituals aimed at attracting love, luck, and wealth, making it an indispensable element in this money-attracting ritual. 2. Salt. Salt is another crucial element of this ritual. It is known for its ability to neutralize negative energy, purify it, and convert it into positive energy. For this ritual, any cheap salt will suffice. Salt is also beneficial for energy cleansing baths, which will be discussed further. Salt has been used for centuries in various cultures for its purifying properties. It is believed to have the ability to absorb negative energy and clean spaces and individuals of any unwanted influences. When used in rituals, salt acts as a grounding element that helps to stabilize and enhance the other components' effectiveness. 3. Cloves. Cloves are fragrant spices that can be easily found at any supermarket. They possess great energetic power, particularly when it comes to warding off bad vibes and protecting against low-energy, toxic, jealous, and envious people. If you feel surrounded by such individuals, incorporating cloves into this ritual can help cleanse and protect your energy. Cloves are not just aromatic spices. They carry a strong energetic signature that is known for its protective and purifying qualities. In many spiritual practices, cloves are used to ward off negative energies and to create a barrier against psychic attacks. Their strong, pungent aroma is believed to disrupt negative energy patterns and shield the practitioner from harm. 4. Round plate. The final item you need is a round plate. It's important to avoid using plastic as it vibrates at a low frequency. Instead, opt for a plate made of any other material that you have at home. This plate will serve as the base for arranging the other elements. The choice of a round plate is significant because the circular shape is symbolic of completeness and continuous flow. In many cultures, circles represent infinity and the cyclical nature of life and energy. Using a round plate helps to create a harmonious energy field that supports the ritual's intentions. The material of the plate is also important. Materials like glass, ceramic, or metal are preferable as they hold higher vibrational qualities compared to plastic. Now that you have gathered all the necessary elements, it's time to prepare for the ritual. This involves activating your energy, arranging the elements on the plate, and performing the ritual with intention and faith. Before starting the ritual, it's essential to activate your energy. This can be done by rubbing your palms together with intention. As you rub your palms, believe that you are abundant, that your luck has changed, and that money and wealth are chasing you. Continue rubbing until you feel the warmth in your palms, indicating that your energy is activated. Activating your energy is a crucial step that sets the tone for the entire ritual. It's about aligning your personal energy with the universal energy of abundance. When you rub your palms together, you are generating heat and activating the energy centers in your hands, known as chakras. This act helps to focus your mind and set a clear intention for the ritual. As you feel the warmth building up, imagine this warmth spreading through your entire body, filling you with a sense of prosperity and readiness to receive abundance. Once your energy is activated, the next step is to create a bed of salt on the plate. This bed of salt will serve as the foundation for the other elements. Salt is a powerful purifier and is known for its ability to absorb negative energy. By forming a circle of salt, you are creating a protective barrier that keeps out negative influences and ensures that only positive, prosperous energy remains within the circle. This step is foundational for the ritual, as it sets the stage for the other elements to work effectively. With the bed of salt in place, it's time to arrange the cinnamon sticks. If you're using cinnamon sticks, arrange them in the shape of a triangle, ensuring that the ends touch. If you're using ground cinnamon, sprinkle it in a triangular shape, making sure the triangle is fully connected. This triangular arrangement is essential for the flow of energy. The next step is to place 7 cloves in the center of the cinnamon triangle and the bed of salt. Cloves will help eliminate any energy blockages, ensuring that the positive energies can flow freely and attract money and abundance. The number 7 is significant in many spiritual traditions. It is often associated with completeness and perfection. By placing 7 cloves at the center of the triangle, you are reinforcing the protective and purifying aspects of the ritual. Cloves have a strong energy signature that helps to clear any residual negativity and create a pure space for your intentions to manifest. The final step in preparing the ritual is the invocation. Place your hands around the plate, and with visualization and a feeling of love, say out loud, "Money, come to me. I receive you, I thank you, I honor you, I accept you, I enjoy you. You are welcome, and I feel happy with you. Thank you. It is done." This invocation is crucial for activating the energies and calling upon money to come into your life. Invocation is a powerful practice that involves calling upon higher energies or universal forces to assist in manifesting your desires. When you speak these words, do so with conviction and a genuine sense of gratitude. Visualize money and abundance flowing into your life as you speak, and feel the emotions of joy and fulfillment as if your desires have already been met. This emotional alignment is key to making the ritual effective. After preparing the ritual, it's important to place it correctly to maximize its effectiveness. Here's how to do it. Place the ritual setup near the entrance of your house with one point of the triangle pointing directly at the entrance. This placement is crucial as it acts as a barrier against bad vibes and protects you from negative energies. It also attracts economic opportunities into your life. The entrance of your home is a significant area in terms of energy flow. It is the point through which all energies enter and exit. By placing the ritual setup near the entrance, you are creating a welcoming space for positive, prosperous energies while blocking out negative influences. The point of the triangle facing the entrance acts as a beacon, drawing in opportunities and abundance. It is important to maintain the integrity of the ritual setup. Touching it can disturb the energy that you have carefully arranged, so ensure that it remains undisturbed for the entire duration. The 7-day period allows the energies to fully integrate and manifest your intentions. When the time comes to remove the setup, expressing gratitude is a way of honoring the energies that have assisted you. Disposing of the elements in nature allows them to return to the earth, completing the cycle of energy exchange. For any ritual to be effective, it's essential to invest fully in your intention, visualization, and faith. These elements are the foundation of any successful ritual. Here's why they are crucial. Intention. Setting a clear intention is the first step in any successful ritual. Your intention should be specific, positive, and focused. Avoid vague or negative statements. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be poor," say, "I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life." This positive, clear intention directs your energy and the universe's energy towards your desired outcome. Visualization. Visualization involves imagining the desired outcome as if it has already happened. When performing the ritual, visualize yourself already having the money, abundance, and prosperity you seek. This helps to create a strong energetic connection to your goal. Visualization is a powerful tool that engages your mind, emotions, and energy. Faith. Faith is the belief that the ritual will work. It's important to perform the ritual with a sense of certainty and trust in the process. Doubt can block the flow of positive energy, so maintain a positive and confident mindset throughout the ritual. If the ritual doesn't seem to be working, it's often because one or more elements, intention, visualization, or faith, haven't been fully invested. Reflect on your mindset during the ritual and ensure you are fully committed to the process. It's important to remember that rituals are not magical fixes but tools to align your energy with your desires. If you find that the ritual is not yielding the expected results, take some time to reflect on your intention, visualization, and faith. Are you truly committed to the process? Are you maintaining a positive mindset? By following the steps outlined in this ancient ritual, you can attract money, abundance, and prosperity into your life. The combination of cinnamon, salt, and cloves, along with your intention, visualization, and faith, creates a powerful energetic force that can transform your financial situation. Remember to perform the ritual with love and positivity, and watch as the doors of wealth and opportunity open for you. If you found this ritual helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on attracting abundance and positivity into your life. And leave a comment below saying, "I open myself to prosperity and abundance," to align with our community's collective intention. Thank you for watching, and may abundance flow into your life.